Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to update your WordPress plugins. So our WordPress environment was created using InstaWP, and this service allows you to launch a WordPress installation in under 1 minute. So check them out, instawp.io. Okay, so we are back at our dashboard and we are going to be installing and rolling back plugin updates. So let's go over to our plugin section. We can click add new, but let's just click plugins so that we can see all of our plugins. Okay, so you see that we have some plugins and we can see that this plugin needs an update. So to update, just click update now. All right, so we have updated our plugin. And we want to roll back this update, so we need to install a plugin. Click add new, and in the search box type WP rollback. So it's the first result, so click install now. Click activate. Okay, so we have installed our plugin. And sometimes a plugin may misbehave after an update and we may need to roll back its version. So if we click rollback, we see that we have different versions of this plugin available. So we can also view its changelog. Click view changelog, and we see that certain features were implemented and some bugs were fixed as well. But we can roll this back to version 7.2.1, for example. So let's view this changelog. And we see that some bugs were fixed. So let us revert this to 7.2.1. So click rollback. Okay, so as usual, we always have a message warning us about the actions that we are about to take. So this is basically warning us that we should create a complete backup of our WordPress files before proceeding with the rollback. But that's the beauty of having a disposable WordPress environment. So click rollback. So we can either go to our plugins page or activate our plugin. Let's click activate plugin. All right, so we see that we now have the previous version of our plugin. So as you can see, it's asking us to update our plugin again. There's a new version available. So this is how you roll back a plugin update. So next, I'm going to show you how to manually update this plugin. Now we need to go to the plugins page on wordpress.org and search for our plugin. So it's Quiz and Survey Master. Press enter. And this is our plugin on the left, full 5 stars. So click this. And if we take a look at our version, we see that the latest version is 7.2.2. So we want to update what we already have from 7.2.1 to 7.2.2. So click download. And we have downloaded our plugin. So let's manually update this plugin right now. Let's go back to our dashboard. So to perform the update, we just need to upload our plugin. So go all the way to the top and click add new. Now upload plugin. So we just need to drag our downloaded plugin to this button that says choose file. Click install now. All right, so this is basically asking us if we want to replace the plugin that already exists with the one that we just downloaded. So over here on the bottom, we have a message recommending that we back up our database and files. But let's just click replace current with uploaded. Click go to plugin installer. And let's go back to our plugins page. So we can either click installed plugins or just plugins. As you can see, we have installed our new version. It's version 7.2.2. So the final thing I'm going to show you guys is how to install plugin updates in bulk. So when you guys were not looking, I installed 2 plugins, Elementor and Essential Add-ons for Elementor. So now all we need to do is roll back the versions of these plugins so they could be out of date for us to update them. And I'm going to speed up this part of the video. Okay, so we have successfully rolled back our plugin versions. And now we just need to update our plugins in bulk. So we want to select each plugin that we want to update. Click the checkbox next to each one. Essential add-ons for Elementor, Quiz and Survey Master. So scroll all the way to the top and click bulk actions, then click update. Then click apply. All right, so we are currently updating our plugins. You see they're updating one at a time. Okay, so it's done. This is how we bulk update plugins.